Hello outdoor lovers. The last time I was out I was trying out the Bushbox and I wasn't too happy with the performance, but I got some advice that told me do an upside down fire instead of just feeding pencil size sticks in it, and that's what I'm going to do today. I know for sure that an upside down fire burns longer. The question is, does it work in the Bushbox too? It's kind of small, but we'll try it out and we'll find out. Catch you there. Yeah, that experiment turned out well, I think. For today I just made some coffee. I brought some rehydrated chili, but as it turns out I wasn't hungry enough to get it going. But an upside down fire in a bushbox definitely is an advantage. I would highly recommend that method if you're going to do something more solid than just boil some water. And you need surprisingly little wood actually to get it going for half an hour. So yeah, I'm pleased. I'll see you around next time. But for now, get off your ass, get out in the woods and have fun. That's what it's about. Cheers.